The National Transmission Corporation is faced with the new challenges to provide a solution to the growing energy consumption in Mindanao. And in order to deliver and sustain the energy consumption, the Korean consortium HYUNDAI Engineering Company Limited and HYUNDAI Corporation was awarded with the contract after the international bidding was carried out. The contract coverage is from survey, design, supply of material, installation, and commissioning of the Maramag-Bunawan 230 kV transmission backbone project in Mindanao. On December 20, 2007, the HEC President visited the transmission route and substation site for survey to assess the location prior to contract signing. The next day, December 21, 2007, the contract for the project undertaking has been signed by both parties in representative of Mr. Arthur N. Aguilar, President and CEO of National Transmission Corporation, and Mr. Jong Kyun Kim, President and CEO of HYUNDAI Engineering Company Limited at New World Hotel, Makati City. Nonetheless, it did not officially start until January 2 of 2008 upon the receipt of the notice to proceed. This was then followed by a kickoff meeting held at Marco Polo Hotel last January 16, 2008 in anticipation and preparation to contract effectively on March 6, 2008. The Project Management System and Filipino Ingenuity. HYUNDAI Engineering Company Limited stands on its core values as part of their management practice in dealing with all aspects of this work. The company believes and practices NANUM, or sharing management, which is the system that brought success in different projects around the world. It is with this principle that the company was able to give quality work and effectively work out this project. Geological Investigation and Survey. The geological investigations were performed last March 13, 2008 for the design, earthworks, and foundation. A route survey was also executed which covered a vast location reaching 106.38 kilometers, traversing through varied topographic scenarios, where the 354 steel towers will be erected. The entire project covers the following cities and municipalities. Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon. Starting from Camp 1 to San Jose, going to Municipality of Quezon, Bukidnon. From the Poblacion of Quezon, heading to Libertad. Salawagan, Delapa, Sitio Lanapa, Santa Cruz, Lipa, Sitio Kipolot, Palacapao, Sitio Rawari, Sitio Cabalhisan, and the next area is at Municipality of Kitaotao, Bukidnon. At Sinuda, Tawas, Buda, Tulorega. Then it is connecting to the Municipality of Aracan, North Cotabato in San Miguel, and continued at Marilog District, Davao City. From Dato Salumay, Baganihan, Marahan, Pamuhatan, Upper Kibalang to Lower Kibalang, to Lamundao, Bantol, Malamba, Tamugan, heading to Baguio District, Davao City at Gumalang, then to Calinan District, Davao City at Lacson, to Calinan proper, Dacudao, Talomo River, Tupangan, Lampianao, connecting to Buhangin, Davao City in Calyawa, to Panabo City at Katualan, to Santa Cruz, and lastly at Quiotoy. Designs and approval. It was on May 19, 2008 that the tower and foundation design for 230 kilovolt steel tower such as DQ2, DR2ST, DS2, DT2DE, DT2ST, DU2, LSD-S2, T2, LSD-T2, DR2-SUS were approved by Transco. Afterwards, the civil, architectural, and electrical drawings for Maramag Bunawan and Tagoloan substation were approved on June 25, 2008. It was on August 12, 2008 when the plan and profile and structure list were completed. Subcontractor. The transmission line was divided into 3 schedules for the entire project duration. Schedule 1 covers Tower 1 to 179 was granted to RD Square Construction. Schedule 2 covers Tower 180 to 252 by K Energy Incorporated. Lastly, Schedule 3 covers the towers 253 to 364 were done by Norm Construction under JUAM Electric Communication. On the other hand, 3 substations at Bunawan, Davao City, Maramag, Bukidnon, and Tagoloan, Misamis Oriental were admittedly to the Tri-Ohms Engineering contractor. Thus, the 4 subcontractors agreed and signed the contract in between of Hyundai Engineering on June 10, 2008. RD Square Construction first mobilized and started on June 19, 2008. It was then followed by Tri-Ohms Construction on July 7, 2008. Norm Construction, a JUAM's subcontractor, on July 10, 2008, and by K Energy Incorporated on the following day. Material delivery. The Dateline Cargo Express International contracted on the deliveries of materials to Mindanao. To assure that all materials are functional and in good quality, factory acceptance tests were conducted by suppliers in the presence of Transco representatives prior to the shipment. The transmission tower parts, the power conductors, transformers, line hardwares, line and station insulators, disconnected switches, OPGW, surge arresters passed through the test from different suppliers abroad, all of which were imported from countries such as Korea, USA, Switzerland, Spain, Germany, and Vietnam. Meetings. Within the duration of the construction, there were several meetings conducted together with the representatives from Transco, subcontractors, staff, and with head office to address the status and issues concerned. Problems encountered. The construction of towers on area from Barangay Lipa to Sitio Cabalhisan of Quezon Bukidnon, where towers 78 to 113 are located, was stopped due to the military operations around the latter part of February 2009. The landowners impeded the corresponding works of civil, erection, and stringing works of towers and of substations due to the delayed acquisition of lots of right-of-way. There were also cutting of tower parts, pilferages of ACSR power conductors, tower parts and line hardwares on the completed stringing sections, and rerouting of some transmission lines. Moreover, uncontrollable forces of nature, such as heavy rains and strong winds, causes MB46 and MB47 to collapse on March 27, 2009. Visitors. The entire project was visited and checked by the Quality Assurance Team and geological engineers from Korea. Construction. First concrete pouring for the transmission line was conducted on July 17, 2008 for Tower 27. The first tower erected was Tower 28 on October 15, 2008, and Tower 2 was the last tower erected on July 22, 2010. All the stringing activity was completed by September 25, 2010. Energization. The 50 MVA transformer in Bunawan substation was first to energized last August 2, 2009. The 100 MVA transformer of Tagoloan substation followed the event on October 25, 2009. Then the 75 MVA transformer of Maramag substation was energized last January 24, 2010. The 106.38 kilometer transmission line was energized with 100 megawatts for line 1 and 68 megawatts for line 2 on October 9, 2010 and October 29, 2010 respectively. After 2 years, we can finally see the fruit of labor and dedication. Every effort spent was worth fulfilling as we perceive each tower standing. Even though the project ends, it is neither the friendship nor the memories we want to lose.